Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, it's going to be a really good one because I have a special guest coming down all the way from California. Big shout out to Auto Addict USA. Once again, we have teamed up. In today's video, there's actually going to be two videos shot today. So I'm going to do one specifically just for the wing in the back of the car for the ZL1. And then that's for the people that are searching for that wing and want to take a look, want to see an up close look at that wing and what they think about it and what I think about it. I'll give you my whole overview and all that good stuff. And then the other video is going to be for the front splitter, which is the one that we went with as well, that Auto Addict USA is going to go ahead and put on today as well. So either way, let's go. All right, guys. So first thing I got to do is I got to take the cover off of Superman, the ZL1, and then I got to move this car back a little bit and then bring out Optimus Prime, which Prime Time is just chilling in the garage for right now, looking all nice and pretty and clean. So hopefully, please do not rain. We don't want it to rain on the car. I hope it just stays like the way it is right now up there in the skies. It's nice and cloudy and it's not hot right now like normally it is here in Arizona. Last time they were here was literally last year in August, and they installed the front bumper on Optimus when I had ripped that piece off right there doing a pull in Mexico. If you guys haven't seen that video, put a link up top and that way you guys can check that out. But I got to take that car out, put that over here, and I got to take this car and put that in here. Let's get these cars moving. V6 Camaro. Listen to that sound. Amazing. Best Camaro V6 exhaust. I set that tone for everybody years ago. I'll leave that card up top also if I can. You guys can check that out. Now it's gotten to this point. And now we got to bring this one inside. But I think, oh yeah, my man is already here. I'm already ahead of the game. We gotta put this on YouTube right away. I had to move the cars, bro. Yeah. How you been? Good, man. So for you guys that don't know, you guys know who this dude is. Auto Addict USA. What's going on, brother? How you been? Good, man. How are you? Good. How you doing, bro? Oh, you the brother right here? Nice to meet you, dog. What's your name, bro? You got
Batter.
What's your name?
Batter.
You got Instagram?
Nah.
Come on, bro. Man, he sounds like you.
Yeah, he's getting there. Yeah.
He sounds like you, bro. I see that. I see you got. What is that? The Ronin?
Ronin S, yeah.
Yeah, yes sir. See, I got the SC. Mine is smaller. I gotta get on this guy's level.
That's what's up.
Yeah, bro.
Looks amazing.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Murdered out, all black, glossy.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Oh my goodness.
That's why for this one, I was like trying to keep that approach, you know, where it's all murdered out for now.
Yeah.
So that way we can make it look aggressive and then, you know, take it to the track, get some runs in.
Exactly.
Have some fun with that. You know what I'm saying, bro? And then maybe later on, after we get our track days in, then we can worry about the wrap.
100%.
You know, because if we track it and wrap it right now and make it look like that over there.
Rock chips is on your way.
Yeah, dude. So I'm like, if I'm gonna go around in circles in that, or on the drag strip, forget about it. I mean, on the circles in that, I've done that in Vegas and did 12 laps, but that was when the wrap was chrome blue.
Gotcha.
And the front end was gone, dude. I had to rewrap it.
No, it's not even worth it. Yeah,
so,
gotcha.
So for this guy right here, yeah, I'm excited.
Superman, that's crazy.
Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna pull the car inside, and I'll show you guys what we're doing next.
Which is not bad right now so far. It's a pretty friendly user. And then after that, we gotta get the drill with the eraser, remove any access, and then just gotta install the wing, and that's it. So it should be good.
For those that don't know, this is the factory ZL1 wing right here, and then this is the new 1LE style, 1LE design wing through Auto Addict USA. I'm gonna give you guys in detail once the wing is put on the car. I'll show you guys in detail how much better it is to get it through these guys because of the fine little details that it actually comes with that you may not even notice until I point it out. And when you do see what it is, you see how valuable that is to make sure you guys go through them. All right, there's my wing, an Optimus. That is the APR Performance GTC 300 wing. And yeah, this wing is massive. I was thinking about putting this wing on the ZL1, but I feel like it needs the wide body. It needs a lot more work in order to just throw that on there, unless I was gonna take it to the track and, you know, make it look a little bit more aggressive and all that stuff. But here's what it looks like without no wing on there. And man, the car looks absolutely naked right now. All right, you guys, so the install is completely done. And I also wanted to show you guys real quick before I actually show you what the wing looks like. I also wanted to show you guys that the cover still semi-fit, thankfully. I mean, it's good for right now. It's temporary till I get into the garage this month and clean it all up. I won't even need this cover for now, so by then anyway. So the front splitter is what gives it that extra tension down here. And then for the wing up top, the only difference is it doesn't cover the tire all the way down there on the bottom. So let me see if I can just brighten up the screen a little bit. And then you guys can see right there, it doesn't cover the tire all the way. And then it's a little bit tight right here in this little corner for the wing. And then this little corner. But I double checked to make sure that it was still going to be safe and be okay. And I got confirmation that it should be just fine. I know this is not going to be like a forever thing. This is temporary. Nonetheless, let me go ahead and take off this cover. And I'll show you guys. I'm just gonna take off the back of the cover so that way I can show you guys and highlight the wing, and then I'll show you guys the front splitter in the other video. All right, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little close-up there that I wanted to show you. Now, a couple things that I wanted to highlight about this wing is, and I was trying to capture it on camera, but the entire wing is completely carbon fiber. That's number one. The top is carbon fiber, the under is carbon fiber, and these, I think they're called pedestals, is that what they call them? I forgot what they call these legs right here. They're all full carbon fiber. Some of these wings that you'll see online, they're gonna be carbon fiber up here, but this is gonna be black. In this case, with Auto Addict USA, these come in carbon fiber as well. Now here's another piece on here that's an absolute game changer. I've seen a lot of people do these installs and then their winglets fly off. Keep in mind, with this kit right here, it's all molded. It comes preset from Auto Addict USA, already molded on there. So It's not gonna fly off. You don't gotta worry about, did you put enough glue on there or whatever, whatnot, to make sure that they don't fly off. You gotta leave it for 24 hours. No. The moment we popped off my old wing and we put on the new wing, so I enjoyed it over the weekend, drove around in Scottsdale, Phoenix, everywhere, and it was a lot of fun. A lot of people looked at the car, a lot of compliments I got over the weekend too, and I'm gonna show you guys in the next video that I post how it combines that wing back there and contrasts the front splitter on the car too with the APR performance. It looks amazing. A lot of people complimented and said, man, I love this setup. It's really aggressive, really clean. It's just perfect. So now I'm having debates from everybody. Some people are saying, man, don't wrap it, just keep it the way it is. Just get your ceramic coating on there. It's so glossy and all that stuff. And some people are saying, can you imagine if you wrapped it, what it would look like? I don't know. Let me know down there in the comments. Should I wrap it now or should I go to the track, get some track days in first, and then go from there? Because I don't want to ruin the wrap on the track. I really want to enjoy the track. Hit the quarter mile, you know, go on the quarter mile on the track, and then, you know, go to the track where you go left and right. I want to run those and see what the car does. It performs like crazy, especially when I put it in competition mode. If you don't know what that is, let me know in the comments and I'll make a separate video on competition mode. It is insane. Shout out to the dude with the GTR2 over the weekend. You know, he was behind me and man, it was crazy. And he said, yo, that car sounds nuts. And I really appreciate it. He had a beautiful GTR. But either way, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, I love this wing. Should you get it? Absolutely. Get it. Thank you guys for all the votes that everybody voted on my Instagram, and I put the polls on there and all this stuff. So I appreciate all you guys. We're going to keep this going. We're going to keep it moving and grooving with the ZL1. So either way, if it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And I got more videos coming. The next one's going to be the front splitter. But in the meantime, between time, you know the drill. Hey, Dilla. Bow. Superman. Right there behind me. He's going to be in the garage soon, next to prime time, real soon. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.